today's video, we'll install 15mm wheel spacers on this BMW M4.
For the wheel clearance measurement, the 15mm wheel spacers are the perfect thickness for the new BMW M4 to make the wheels flush with the fender. By creating the offsets, the BMW M4 gets a more aggressive look. Upgrading performance with wheel spacers is safe for daily driving. If you install them correctly, quality spacers won't cause any problems. BONOSS half-century wheel spacers are CNC machined, precision at 0.02mm tolerance. This eliminates any potential gap, ensuring a perfect installation.
The lightweight plus of BONOSS wheel spacers means that the hollow design is further optimized on the basis of the traditional wheel spacers. Compared with the previous generation products, the weight is reduced by 20%. The reducing unsprung weight helps the vehicle suspension system work more effectively. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye!